friends, my today's topic is Williamson ether synthesis. So Williamson ether synthesis, that means how we can prepare the ether from the phenol. Okay. So आइए देखते हैं कि reaction क्या है. So phenol in presence of the ethyl iodide. So ethyl iodide is nothing but alkyl halides in presence of basic medium and under heating condition which gives the ether. So it is a kind of alkyl aryl ether. Now why it is called alkyl aryl ether? Because of this ethyl group which is called alkyl group. This ring is called aryl ring and both are attached by the oxygen linkage. So it gives a structure like R O A R. So this is called ether linkage. This is the aryl group. So this phenyl ring is called aryl group and C2H5 which is called alkyl group. So by these ways we can prepare the ether from phenol. Now how this reaction is proceeded, let us understand by the mechanism. So this is the structure of phenol. So phenol when react with NaOH, so as you all know, solubility of the phenol is in highly basic medium, so that gives a sodium salt of the phenoxide, or we can say sodium phenoxide. And then after C2H5 that means ethyl iodide. So as you know that alkyl halide, so R and X. So X that means the halogens, and you all know that all halogens are highly electronegative in nature. So due to electronegativity, that will produce partial negative charge on halogen because of, as per the definition of the electronegativity, so it's a power to attract the electron. So halogens that attract the electron towards it, so there will be a formation of the partial negative charge, and here there will be a formation of the partial positive charge. So due to that, this O minus that is attack on the carbon, or we can say alkyl group. So same way here C2H5 that is attached with iodine. So iodine is highly electronegative atom, so there will be a generation of partial negative charge, and here there will be a generation of partial positive charge. So lone pair that is attack on the ethyl group and electron that is shifted on the iodine, and ultimately that gives a structure of OC2H5 that is nothing but phenyl ethyl ether and liberated iodine, that is make a bond with sodium plus sodium iodide. This is a form. So by these way phenyl ethyl ether is formed from the phenol. Thank you.